Hi guys, it's Ms. Grace from the Pickerington Public Library. For this week's school age grab and go activity bags, we have some materials that you can use to make your very own paper plate maze. So this week my daughter Eleanor and I completed this activity at home. So I'm going to just kind of show you real quick the steps and processes that we took. And you can either use those ideas when you make your marble maze, or you can make it your very own. This activity is something you can get very creative on, and it's also something that you can take apart and build it a different way. After you've made the first one, you want to try another one, take it apart, try it again. All these materials you should be able to use again. All right, so let's see here. So in the bag that you're going to get from the library, in your grab and go activity bag, will be one paper plate, some strips of paper, some pieces of straw, a marble, and then some wiki stick. Now the wiki sticks, you may have used them at school. Some schools use them, but the wiki sticks are actually wax coated yarn. They are not candy, so do not put them in your mouth. You cannot eat them. They're not food. They kind of look like they're candy, but they are definitely not candy. Now, in addition to the supplies you're going to get from the library, you can use some things that you might have lying around your house. So some things that you might use from home might be scissors, glue, tape, toilet paper rolls, Legos. If you have Legos, you can use all of those. Now, in this picture here, you'll see my daughter Eleanor decided that she would like to use tape, scissors, and toilet paper rolls. Now our toilet paper rolls are kind of colorful. You'll see one's pink and one's green because we used those in another project that we had done, and so we just we're reusing them. So yours may not be that colorful, but that's okay. If you want, you can take markers and you can color them. So the first thing that Eleanor decided is she decided how she wanted to make her maze. So she thought she might make like a roller coaster type of a maze. And so she was trying to build her maze up kind of like you see above the paper plate. So she took the wiki sticks and the paper and was kind of trying to make like a little bit of a roller coaster. And she quickly realized that that was not going to work for her marble maze. So she took it apart, changed tactic, and she kind of made this little contraption here. So she took some paper, kind of folded it accordion style to make it look a little bit like stairs. And then she has kind of like a little bridge or a little platform that her idea was that the marble could go up the stairs and then down the little kind of diving board platform, and then down onto the plate. But that didn't really work either. So she changed her tactic once again, and that's the great thing about this project. If you build something and it's not working, that's okay. Take it apart and try something different. So she finally landed on she's going to make a maze on her actual plate, not building it up high, but building it actually on the plate. So in the first picture, you will see that she is kind of making her path with her wiki sticks. And she is using the marble to kind of guide to see how wide she needs to make her path there, because you want to make sure that the path is wide enough that your marble can go through. If not, it will get stuck. And she also used the strips of paper to kind of make like a little tunnel. So that's what you see going on there. Now I'm going to show you the video here of her doing it. So she really wanted to use the toilet paper rolls that we had. So she decided that she was going to use the toilet paper rolls to kind of drop the marble onto the path where she wanted it to start. So the marble is going to go down through the path, through the paper kind of tunnel, and then just off to the side she has some circles that are kind of like an obstacle course. Okay, so let's see the video here. All right, she's going to drop the marble. There it goes, went through, down the path, through the paper, and now it kind of got hung up on the obstacle, so she has to pick up her plate a little bit to kind of guide the marble through. And you can do it that way. Make a maze so that you have to pick up your plate and move the plate around to make your marble go through the maze. That's another way that you can get your marble through the maze. So you use all the supplies that we have in the bag, look around, get creative, look around your house and see if there's something from home that you might be able to use to make your marble maze. And we would love to see what your maze looked like. So make sure your grown-up snaps a picture, tags the library on any of our social media accounts, and you can use the hashtag PPL Imagine Your Story so that we can be able to see what you created at home. Now make sure you stop by next Monday to get another grab and go activity bag. And remember, keep reading this summer. Bye.